That fool grouchy.
I got a problem.
What is wrong? What is wrong with you? What had done happened?
I don't know. This song be discriminatory.
No.
No,
This song be rocking.
No, girl. Listen.
Why don't you be liking it?
No, what about them diabetic foods?
Oh.
They ain't having no sugar.
Oh, Lord. What had happened? What gonna happen?
What about that today?
This is discriminatory.
No, girl.
What if they can't have no sugar? What they is gonna do? What they gonna use?
They can use some Splenda.
They use some Splenda. Splenda on me. That's right, girl. Then they don't be getting fat. Cause you know you be getting fat.
No.
Girl, if you pouring sugar up all on you, be getting stirky. They be getting stirky. And you be getting all sweaty and salty. And sugary. And tell us about it, girl. Come on now, tell us.
I don't be liking when people discriminate.
No, Walmart discriminates.
Don't do.
They do.
They don't carry no size 7 panties.
They sure don't. They sure don't. You know what had happened? You know what had
No,
happened?
girl.
People be walking up in the Walmart and they be drenching them with sugars. They be throwing it on them. And this song be playing all up on the radio, up in the stove. Then, them fools go over there and they be needing some panties. Okay? They normally be wearing some size 6.
Yeah.
But them fools had to get 7 because they had got fat because they was getting drenched with some sugars.
And all they
That
would've
way the
had-
panties had gone.
That's right. All they would have had to use was
Uh-huh. Had they been drenching themselves in some Splendas, it would have been alright.
Girl, no.
So that's something wrong with you. Something you are crazy. From my head to my feet, yeah.
I think this video is gonna open up a whole new thing.
That's another thing. I be kind of weird. He be drenching them with sugars from their heads to their feet. What if that sugar get all up between your toes? That don't be comfortable.
No.
That be so uncomfortable.
What if you got in your nose?
You can get the chap, and then you gotta get the butt face.
Oh, this is gonna have to have some funky bread.
Oh, funky fried, funky.
Oh, girl.
Girl, that's a funky fried. If you wanna feel funky, feel free.
You
But
want
don't,
one love or two?
but don't get that funk on me. Girl, you strong. You strong. You strong. You been working out with some Splendas on you, haven't you? You have. You have rubbed it. It's exfoliating. See, when you get the Splendas up on you, you just get scrubs in it in.
Yeah.
Look what I had this. Look what I had done there. Girl, no. Girl, no. You wish that was your hand. You wish it was. You do.
No, girl.
So, we is petitioning to have this song stopped. And the word needs to be changed. It do. It do. That's why the drummer ain't got no arm. Because he diabetic. And he had ate too much sugar and had to amputate it.
Oh, this.
Giselle.